Stellenbosch FC head coach Gavin Hunt has hailed the fearless debut performance of young midfielder Vuyoletsi Andreas after the 21-year-old announced himself on the big stage against Orlando Pirates on Tuesday evening. The promising midfielder, who rose through Stelli's DStv Disc Challenge ranks, was introduced at halftime in place of Mteteleli Ntiane as Hunt searched for answers in midfield against dominant Pirates side. Despite the pressure of making his professional debut against one of the country's biggest clubs, Vuyoletsi showed maturity beyond his years, calm in possession and aggressive off the ball. The youngster immediately added energy and stability to Stellenbosch's midfield while refusing to be intimidated by occasion. Hunt admitted that Mtiane struggled to cope with the intensity of the match, prompting the tactical reshuffle that ultimately gave Vuyoletsi his long-awaited opportunity. And said, "I just thought he wasn't at the races and we needed a bit more energy." The kid came on and did very well for his first game. He's not fully fit yet, but I thought he helped us settle a bit more in midfield